4.1e, find the length of a tangent from a point to a circle by using Pythagoras Theorem. So we are going to find the length of a tangent from a point to a circle. So can be found using the Pythagoras Theorem, and you can draw a diagram or not. But for example 5, find the length of the tangent from the point K46 to the circle, this one. So the pictures is sort of like this. Okay, so here is the K and here is the tangent, okay, where this is the radius. So the length that we are going to find is this length, the length of the tangent from the point to the circle here. So first we are going to find 2g, because we are going to find what is the coordinate of the center here. The K is, we know, is 4, 6. So to find the coordinate of the center, we need the G and F. So this is 2G. So G is -2, and 2F is equal to this one, -2. So F is -1. Okay, and we know our C is -6, because you need to move 6 to here, to the left one, and the right one will be 0. It must be, the right one will be 0. And then our center for the general equation will be -G, -F. So our center is 2, because they're negative. So here there is another negative, so it will be cancel off, or it will be 1. So our R is G squared plus F squared minus C. That's the formula for R. So we have -2 for G and -1 for F, and C is -6. C is -6. Okay, square root. So you calculate, you will get square root of 11. So now the center, you know the coordinate is 2, 1 here. 2, 1, too small. 2, 1, and here is K for 6. So let me re-sketch so that you can see it better. So 90 degree will be here because tangent is here. So here is K for 6. Here is center, which is 2, 1, and we know this is the length of the radius, which is square root 11. So let's say I label it with H, and here is T. So we are going to find the H first, length of H, which is from the center to the K. So H is 4 minus 2 squared plus 6 minus 1 squared, square root, and then you will get square root of 29 for the H. And for the D, we are going to use the Pythagoras Theorem, which is H squared will minus R squared, got D squared. Okay, so H squared is square root of 29 squared minus the R squared. Okay, finally we'll got square root of 18 in simplest term through the unit length. So finally the length of the tangent is length of tangent from the circle is 3 square root of 2 units. Okay, move on to the example 16. Find the length of the tangent from the point 84 to the circle with the center 3, 0. So we have this tangent, and we have the radius, and we have the center here. So the center is 3, 0. It's already given to you, no need to find it. And here is the point, we label it P, so 8 for the coordinate is, and the radius is 2. And then we need to find H, and later we'll go find D. So H is the length from the center to the P. This is the center, is 8 minus 3 square root plus 4 minus 0 square root, and then you will get square root of 41 for the h. So for the d, we know that h squared minus r squared got d squared, which is 41 squared minus 2 squared for the r, and you will get the answer as square root of 37 unit for the d, which is the length of the tangent from the point to the circle.